Hi everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before I start the new letter sum, let's revise previous one. Letter Y. Letter Y. 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 Now it's time to start the second letter sound of 6th group, letter X. Let's start with the short story. Max and John were playing. They were pretending to be spacemen. Max, the alien, chased John, the astronaut, up a tree. John fell down off the tree and hurt his arm. Dad took Max and John to a hospital where John had to have an X-ray. John had to keep his arm very still while the nurse took the X-ray, made the sound like x, x, x. Yes, the sound of letter X is x, 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 and the action of letter X is x, x, x. It is an unreliable letter because it doesn't have a sound of its own. It borrows other sound. The actual sound of letter X is x. It is a combination of two letter sound K and S. Let's see how to write letter X. Letter X. Letter X. Letter X. Letter X. Listen the words corresponding to the picture. This is box. In the last there is a x, x, box. This is sheep. It is not related to letter sound of letter X, so we cross out the picture. This is 6. In the last x, x, 6. This is Xmas tree. Okay? Let's blend the words. Box, 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 box. 8, 6, 8, 6. 8. Next. X. Next. X. Facts. X. Facts. Let's sing the song. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. See you.